Stacy 这么早开始进来了。
Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining the NX solution webinar today. And today we are going to have the webinar together with the Chiyu technology, and Jason Wu is with us. In the beginning, I will introduce NX winners first. I mean, network optics, and then a little bit network optics NX winners first, and then I will hand over to Jason for the complete the presentation and the live demo. Okay, so let's wait for a couple minutes for gathering more customers, guests. Okay. Hello, O.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. In the beginning, I would like to talking something not really related. We are so welcome more and more like a technical partners, right? Since we are like a totally open platform, and we are focused on doing a powerful and easy to use VMS only. So we welcome the technical partner to do the integration with us. So we have like API and the Meta SDK for our partners to do the integration with us, right? And I have to say, Chiyu Technology is one of the early partner of us. So when we start to think about to have a technical partner to do the integration, the first one I think is Chiyu Technology, because they are doing the access control system and they're quite famous in Taiwan. So we are thinking of them. So I approached them. Actually, before that, we have some cooperation before when I was working in an SI, right? So I contact with them, and they agree the idea. They like the idea that VMS should work closely with the access control system, because in a project, I can say that you often see that the user wants to make a VMS to work together with the access control system, right? So when I tell them this idea, and they agree about that, and then we say, okay, let's do it. Then I didn't approach them for like a couple of weeks. Then I realized there's one time I need to do a demonstration to my Vietnamese customer, like next week, next Monday, right? And on this Friday, I suddenly visit them, and then I said that, hey, I need to do the demonstration to my customer next Monday. I know it's Friday now. Can we make it? And you know what? In that afternoon, they finished the integration, and then delivery to me the package, so that I can demo to my customer next Monday. So basically, you can say that the integration for Chiyu technology is just done by an afternoon. Yeah, quite easy, huh? And and basically their knowledge, technology knowledge is enough to do that. So that's why we always promote your technology to our customers, because I believe Chiyu technology can fulfill the integration with us, so they can fulfill your like request in your projects. Okay, so it's 10:04, so let's start. So I would like to share with you my screen first. So I think you can see my screen, right? Basically, I always like to use our NS client to do the presentation. Okay, so you can see that this is my NS client. So I just snapshot my presentation file as a picture and put it here, so that I can do the presentation, right, by my software. Okay, so In the very beginning, I would like to share with you about our company, named Optix, and we are focused, as I say, we are focused on doing a VMS, right? Easy use and user friendly and also powerful VMS, right? And we start from 2010, and you can see that our software is made by 2013, right? And I remember it's on 2018 we are thinking to do something like AI or analytics, but then after discussion we realized that we cannot do better than the professional AI company or analytics company, right? So we put more focus on the platform. We make NS Winners a very easy integrated platform for our technical partners. So that's why we have a lot of partners now for the integration. Okay. And then I think I will just jump to the here. So basically, in a project, it should be look like that, right? This is the device, like a camera or something, and then NS Windows is the software, right? So we put some, you can install the NS Windows software in a PC or in a server, right, to become an NX server, right? And if you have more than two servers, you can make it merge to become a big system, right? For example, 100 services, you can merge them to become a big system, right? And then camera will be recorded into the next server. And the integration is on this part, okay? Like Chiyu technology is doing the API integration with us. So no matter what happened from Chiyu will send the information to NX, and then you can trigger something. You can trigger something, or you can save it as a bookmark here. Okay, and then we have three types of clients. The first one is NS Web client, and application client, and the mobile client. Okay, and of course the application client is full function. The web client and the mobile client is like a less function software. Okay, and also we have cloud. And this cloud is mostly for cloud connection, but not cloud recording. Okay, so for example, if you put your server in a place where there is no fixed IP, okay, because for the client, the basic way for the client to log into the server is you type the IP address, type the username and the password, and then you can log into the server, right? But in some environment, you have no static IP, you have no fixed IP here, so that you can use our cloud. Okay, the client will log into the cloud, and then our cloud will redirect you to the server. So simply say you don't need any IP address, then your your client can still log into your server. Okay, so this is our cloud function. And I think I will just quickly jump to some integration page, which is this one. Okay, like this. The integration with the access control system, simply say, when you put your like a finger, your card, anyway, scanned by the device will send the information like, okay, this is Sean, and his ID is this one. Send to the NX, and then we can show it. We can show it on the screen. We can make some sound, and then we can save it into the bookmark together with the video, right? And also, if you're doing some alarm call, right, we can pop up video for the like a security guards to put more focus on it, right? And then we can search. Like I want to search Sean, you just type the name and then search Sean, right? Or you can type Andy, and then you can search. Okay, this is Andy to clock in. right? Okay. So later, Jason will do more like an introduction and the demonstration for you, right? And so also I would like to share with you, we have a more integration like face recognition, right? Just for your idea, I will not show you some detail, okay? Or like a car number recognition, right? So basically you can type your car number and then find your car, okay? And also like intrusion, right? Like someone climb on the fence, climb on the wall, and then try to get in to your like campus or factory, and then NX Winners will show you the alarm. Okay, and this is AI based intrusion. So basically, only for a person try to do the intrusion, and then we alert. If there is just a cat or a dog try to get into your building, okay, there's no alert. Okay, and like people counting, vehicle counting, like to detect different car, right? This is car, this is a motorbike, something like that, right? And also something like this one is object recognition. So basically, let me see that. You can search what you want to search. Like you just choose something. Okay, here, right? In NX Windows, if you choose the this third-party solution together, right? You can do that. You can choose what you want to search for the recording data, right? You just choose one, and then we will show you the one. You choose backpack, we show you all the backpack, right? And if you choose like a car, okay, like a license plate, right? We show you all the license plate. Okay, so for this solution, you can even do multiple search here, the search bar, right? So basically, you can do that. I want to search a woman, red backpack. You just type woman, red backpack, and then we will show you, okay, the woman wearing the red backpack on the road. Okay, is an object search, right? Okay, so I think that's all from my side. I want to put more, share more time to with Jason. Okay, so I will hand over to Jason. Okay, and then just wait a minute. Let
Okay.
me share the host to you so that you can share your screen. Okay,
Okay.
here we go.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's NX Solution webinar. I'm Jason Wu. I will be your speaker today. Okay. Access control nowadays is not only for door anymore. So you can get access control pretty much for everything, like the locker, parking lot, lift control, and a lot more. So let me get my next page. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, you got NX Network Optics doing the video management system. You got Chiyu technology, which is focusing on access control system. These are two different company, two different structure. And interesting part is what happens if these two company join up together. These two solutions join up together. You will get more than access control. Okay? More than access control, which I'm gonna show you today. I will show you most popular, most common features between these two systems, and they can interact with each other. Okay, for the global security field, there are three major fields. First one is CCTV surveillance. You got IP camera, you got server, and IP camera, you do the video monitoring, video recording, and server side, you may have a DVR, you may have an MVR to recording all this footage. The second field is alarm system. There's panic button, siren, intruder alarm, temperature sensor, humidity sensor. So this field is pretty much like a smart home. You monitor digital input and be able to remote control the outputs. Inputs such as temperature sensor, motion sensor, PM2.5 sensor. And output is like you turn on, turn off some device, like the light, for example. And the third field will be access control system. You have biometric fingerprint, facial recognition, RFID card, QR code, barcode, iris, and a lot more, and even mobile app. So this circle will manage human being, object, assets, and even do the time attendance. Okay, these are three major security field in this global market. CCTV almost take 55% of market share. The rest 45% is shared by alarm system and access control system. Okay, and before we go to the next step, I would like to ask you guys to do me a favor. Please use the room chat and key in two words for me. First one is where are you from? Which country are you from? The second word is which field are you professional in? Like I'm from Taiwan, I'm doing access control. I just type Taiwan and AC, access control. And if you are from Malaysia doing CCTV, just type Malaysia CCTV for me. For alarm system, Korea, alarm system, type Korea alarm system for me. Okay, we will have at the end of I have prepared 5 sets of sample for you. I have ID card sample for you, device for you. So there will be 5 lucky draw after the show. Okay. And these 3 circles is pretty much individual, and their system not linking to each other. Think about next questions. Do you have these systems? Your systems able to interact with each other? Are these systems users friendly? Okay, you can think about it for a second, okay? And how Chiyu work with NX? We pretty much rearrange it. You can see all these 3 fields is linking with each other. And we are focusing on the central triangle part. Okay, this is how Chiyu work with NX. BMS plus ACS is total solution. And the first feature I'd like to show you guys is a bookmark feature. This is amazing feature. You see on the top, there's a timeline footage. You got time and you got day and time stamp and the recording footage, and not much information is showing right there. What if you can put some extra information on your recording footage? This is where bookmark take place. You can see I scan Jason Wu scan with a fingerprint or facial recognition. His employer ID and name is showing on the video footage. Okay, this is you can monitor real-time access control, time attendance log at screen monitor screen. You can monitor who enter, exit the door, who check in or check out for time attendance. And why do we need a bookmark? This feature, What's the advantage of bookmark feature? You can do advanced search on special events. So not only for access control time attendance, events like unregistered user, deactivate user, time zone violation, intruder, and there's more events like this package is going to the wrong warehouse, QR code not correct, visitor is expired with NFC, server room temperature is too high, your door or gate door is stuck, open too long. We can do the bookmark search on all these events. So employee name, user's name, event's name. You can do advanced search and you will save you a lot of time and help you to react fast. Okay. Later, I will show you the live demo on this part. Okay. Let's go to the next feature. Next one is alarm layout feature. This is another great features. When monitor video wall, you want events to trigger alert right away and also catch your eyes. Situation awareness. On the left-hand side, you got about 20 monitors. You only have 2 eyes. How do you monitor all these 20 screens? So special events happened. Another standalone pop-up screen alert will catch your eyes. Okay, so you can also set up sound alert and email alert. And the next one is text overlay. This is a wonderful feature. Monitor real-time event status right on your screen. Okay, you server room temperature value too high. You're able to see at your screen, and it auto trigger my security alert. Office by air, auto trigger my fans to get air cycle. Greenhouse humidity control, auto trigger water sprayer. So this value, temperature value, humidity value, and bad air, CO2 value, all this value is showing right on your screen. So if your server is next building, you don't need to go all the way to the next building to check out the temperature. Right at your screen, you're able to see the real-time status. So each event has its own SOP to follow. For example, fire alarm event, you got emergency procedures listed out at the screen. Security will just follow the screen, which step is the first priority. And there are a lot of events. And I think sometimes security will get panicked and forget which step should be first. So this text overlay feature with the SOP on the screen is very, very helpful.
By the way, for this one text overlay feature, I have a partner. I mean, a customer doing similar with this one. That guy, he put the cameras to monitor the server room, right? And besides server room security, he also put a camera to monitor the air condition. The reason why he monitored the air condition is he want to see the temperature. So he even put one camera and one NX license to monitor the temperature. So he can see the temperature. If too high or too low, he need to like adjust it, right? So if you do in the Chiyu solution, you don't need to put the extra camera to monitor the air condition, right? You can just see the temperatures like as a text overlay on the camera view, any one camera view. Okay, so I just mentioned this because this is very similar with my customer's project.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, let's go to the next slide. There will be a live demo, and I will show you at least 7 features, how video management system and access control system interact with each other. And let's go over, review these 7 features. Okay. First one is a bookmark. Before you had snapshot, now you have show video footage. Next one is do HTTP request. It's like smart home, auto trigger digital outputs, and even from your mobile. Play sound, custom sound alert. You can customize your own music and let the PC to play it. Speak, customer speak voice message. It's like Mr. Google. You type in whatever message, it will speak out for you. Show text overlay, view more text information, and SOP right at screen. Show on alarm layout, pop-up screen alert, situation awareness. Last one is a soft trigger, remote control and monitor screen, and even your mobile phone. Okay. And before I go into the next step, for people who just joined, I'd like to ask you guys again to do me a favor to leave two messages for me. One is which country are you from? Second one is which field are you proficient in? There are three major fields: CCTV, alarm system, and access control. And please leave a message for me at room chat. At the end of webinar, we will have a 5 sample for lucky draw. And after this webinar, we will send out this 5 sample. So everyone who joined this webinar have a chance to win it.
Yeah, just leave the message on the chat box. Okay, like where are you come from and which area,
Which field are you?
you work with the CCTV or access control system or alarm system, right? So please leave the message so that Jason can do the lottery. There are 5 set of access control system as a gift, and he will send that unit to you, to your country. Okay?
Yes. Okay, next one is I'm going to show you the live demo, and this is what I have here. At the middle, I have a fingerprint device. There are 2 IP camera and RFID card and NFC controller. At the middle, there's a white box. There's a temperature sensor, humidity sensor, CO2 carbon dioxide sensor. On the left-hand side, there's a door sensor, fan, panic button, LED alarm, digital I/O controller. All these will interact together. So later in the live demo, you will see all these text. Okay, this is my layout on the NX Witness software. I got on the left-hand corner, you can see there's an e-map. You can upload your floor map, office map, buildings map, and I got 3 cameras here. One is showing my demo kit, and the center part is a health chart. Is monitoring your PC, CPU, memory, RAM status. Okay, and beginning right on the screen, you see there's extra information already pop on the screen. There's RH equal to 55, T equal to 28C. This is actually my room temperature status. Okay, my current room temperature status 28 Celsius, and carbon dioxide is about 900 ppm. Okay, this is real-time push event. So at the server room, this is very helpful for you. Security only at the operation control room to view the server's temperature status. And I'm gonna show you the air, because the bad air quality is easy to demonstrate. I just blew air in the sensor here. My carbon dioxide value were raising, and it will trigger my digital I/O controller and also the NX software. You see there's a pop-up screen alert, and there's text overlay is showing bad air quality. Turn on the fan. My fan is already turning on. And events can trigger multiple outputs. Right now, I trigger 2 outputs. One is the fan, the other one could be a siren alert at a security office. So it can trigger multiple events with the NX. Okay, let's go to the next one. On the left hand side, this is RFID controller and NFC controller. I give you some example on the access control event. Let's say for the server room, only IT people allow to access the server room. If you are not IT person, it will show you not allowed person. Please return to interest and leave. Okay, this one event is not allowed. Another example is office for office visitor. Visitor, you can set up 10 days pass, 1 week pass, 1 hour pass, or 3 hour pass. What if it's expired? Okay, they will show you, you can customize your own text message. Expired user, please check with administrator. So this is most common access control event. And
Jason,
yes.
for the expired user, do you have any solutions that not use the RFID card, like a cell phone or something?
Yes, cell phone I will show you later. I got cell
Okay.
phone app, so cell phone I will show you. So not only the car, you can use tag like NFC tag and UHF long range tag. You can see for the parking lot, the parking you have a ticket label. Your label stick on your windshield is another format. Okay.
Okay.
So not only the car, so car could be EM car, my fair car, NFC, UHF long range, and also the desk fire car. We also have this kind of solution. And the next example is what if your staff lost car or resigned? We can deactivate this car. So you can type it deactivate. Please go to front desk. And another one is time zone violation. For the factory, there's a lot of shift per day. Morning shift, midnight shift, cross day shift. So if someone try to sneak to a different shift, we got time zone violation. Please check your shift schedule. Okay, these are most common access control events. And next one is NFC. I'm gonna show you the NFC. For the Android, I have an Android app NFC. For iOS Apple phone, we will have a Bluetooth solution. So this is my app. I scan on my device. So this NFC on your mobile phone. And here at the bottom, I have ordinary EM lock. This 600 pounds force. Okay, there are 2 parts. This part is going to your door frame. And the thin part is go to your door. So when I scan, your door is open. Okay, you can see the door is open, the lock is open. Okay, let me close it. You can see when I try to grab it, it's closed, locked. Okay, let me try it again on my NFC. Okay, you see the door is open. Okay, so not only for the RFID card, you can also use the app to open the door.
You say the app is now only for Android, right?
Yeah, the app, the NFC is for Android.
Oh, I see.
For the iOS, we'll use a Bluetooth for the communication with. Yeah.
Okay.
Then let's go over to the central this fingerprint device, biometric fingerprint. This RFID and biometric fingerprint. When your VIP, let's say your VIP visiting, scanning. You can trigger the output from the NX welcoming light, and also they're showing the message, employee's name. Let me do it again. Employee's name is Mr. Jason and his employee ID here. So all this will be bookmarked at the bottom page. Okay, later I will show you the bookmark search on this event. So the normal opening door, I got door sensor here. Okay, when I scan the fingerprint, I open the door. And what if something is in the way or door is not closed properly? I can trigger the door open too long event from the NX and showing the text message, do not forget to close the door. Okay. And this sensor can also be added as window sensor. So if someone breaks through your window, okay, let's try it. Door intruder hub, please arrive soon. You can trigger all these outputs through the NX. At the NX, you will showing pop-up screen order, and you can see I have 3 angles. I assign 3 angles. So there will be no dead angle to view. You will be able to view what's going on in the room. So this pretty much, we have DIO, fingerprint, RFID device, sensors. All these are interact with the CCTV with a video management system. Okay, and next I want to show you is not only manage human being, but also the object. Okay, object. I got Toshiba laptop here. I have a case in Africa. The library, they have public laptop for people to use it freely, but people always try to steal the laptop. Okay, this part I'm showing the DIO with the NX. Okay, somebody steal my laptop. Okay, I got pop-up screen alert, sound alert, and a text overlay. Toshiba black laptop removed. Security locked floor 2 doors. Okay. So not only for human being, also for the object. Okay.
So you mean whatever the item is, if you connect to your I/O module with the USB, then you can
Yes.
do this one, right?
Yeah. Basically, I monitor the voltage from the USB output. So
Okay.
the voltage change. So there will be only 2 ways to show the laptop is removed. One is laptop is removed. The second one is your laptop is running out of power.
Okay. I
Okay.
see. Okay. So you need to power on the unit, right?
Yes.
Okay. I see.
Okay, and next one is a soft trigger with a digital I/O controller. At the screen, you can see the right-hand side. There are a lot of icons, and at the end it calls soft trigger. So it can let you do the remote control to turn on or turn off some device. So for I have a case like in a warehouse. Security need to check the light is on or off when when off work. But the warehouse is very large. They're not going to have motorcycle in a warehouse. So with the NX, they are able to view the live view, the site status, the light status, and remote control it at the screen. Okay, let me turn on the light here for you. Okay, you can see the light, the output to the light is on. Okay, another light, or you can turn it on and turn it off, and even my fans. So my fan is on, and the fan is off. So another example, during this COVID-19 event, a lot of people work at home, and the restaurant will have a to go, and you can check the Food Panda. When Food Panda or Uber Eats deliver the food at the door, you will be able to see at your screen and open the door for him. So this NXL app is very helpful. Okay, let me pull out the NX app here. Okay, this is my NX app. So at the door, I can check out, oh, this is my Food Panda delivery at the screen. Okay, I confirm this the right guy. Then I can open the door for him. Okay, the door, okay, this device, okay, I can pause, open the door, and you see my lock is open. Okay, you can see my lock is open. Okay, let me do it one more time. Okay, you see right now it's locked. The EM lock is at a green light. When it's open, it will turn on red. Okay, let me close up. Now this is soft trigger, not only from your monitor screen, but also your mobile phone. Okay, so you see the door open, and there's a lock saying open, the door is open from the app. Let me close this one up. Okay, let me turn the fans off on the screen. Okay, from my soft trigger, I got fan turn off here, and the light, turn it off, the light. And I also have a panic button here. Panic button can be used for like a school. In Taiwan, there's a case at school. They put a panic button in the bathroom, and when event happens, security will know which building, which floor, which bathroom has need help. Okay, and you can also have a text message, West Building, floor 6, room 8. Okay. Another event, you can say North parking lot. Okay. I also trigger, there's another output you can trigger at security room. Okay. So you can set up each event, you can set up different outputs. And these are all interact with NX.
Yeah, for this bathroom project, I can give you more idea. That is a school, right? So I don't know how about you, but in Taiwan, after the starting hours, you still can stay in the classroom to study more yourself, right? Until like 9 p.m. or something, you need to go back home, right? So in the evening or like at night, it's more dangerous for girls, right? Usually you will hear about some news like the girl study in the evening, and she goes to the like a toilet, and someone like follow her and doing something bad, right? So they put a panic button in the restroom, right? So for example, I'm a girl and I feel something dangerous, I can hide myself into the toilet. Then I can see the panic button. I just push the button, and the security room will pop up a video, and then the security guy can see me, right? No, not see me. Actually, I am in the toilet, so cannot see me. He can see the room, see the restroom, but outside the toilet, right? And then basically he can do two-way audio to talk to to the to the restroom, right? He can talk like, is there someone there? Did you accidentally push the button, or you get some dangerous thing? Yeah, he can talk to the girl, right? Or even maybe he will see the big guy, right? So he can say that, hey, the guy with the hat, I see you already. Don't do something stupid. Go back. Leave away, something like that. to save the girl, right? To rescue the girl, right? So this is the idea to do this kind of like a emergency case, something like that. Okay.
Okay, and all these events we just done is already been bookmarked. Okay, these are all the events I just demo you guys, and it's all recording and marked at the video footage. So you can export this certain part. Okay, export each bookmark. You can select the duration, how long you would like to export, 10 seconds, 30 minutes. Okay, and bookmark search. Let me go back to the bookmark search. For bookmark search, I only need to use a keyword. Okay, and you can type in user's name, employee ID, or event's name. For names, I can type Jason, and I can check out. I just double click this old Jason's event log. I just double click and play, double click and play, and you can actually tell, okay, is this real Jason Wu to clock in for time attendance? And for my laptop, I can check out who trying to steal my laptop, just keyword, and these are all laptops event. Okay, you can see the person removing my power and the USB port, and you can export this footage to the police office or operator. Okay, so you before you got snapshot, right now with NX you got short footage. This is very strong evidence. Okay, let's go to my, switch back to my PowerPoint. Okay. Next one is a total solution reference sites. There's sites around the world, Baocheng Group, world's leading footwear service in Cambodia, Indonesia, Myanmar, and Vietnam. They have biometric system and RFID system. Hong Kong, RFID system for commercial buildings. Pakistan, biometric system for Japan Embassy. Kuwait, biometric system for school projects. Egypt, biometrics and DIO system for tourism industry. Netherlands, biometric system for SOE, state-owned enterprise. Brazil, biometric system for SME, small and medium enterprise. So access control is not only for door anymore, it can be a lot more with VMS. So, and I think that's pretty much it about today's demo. Let's go to the last page. I thank you for everyone to join this webinar. And there's a video management system with NX. There's email and website, and access control solution. There's a email and website for you guys to check it out for more information. And again, for you all who joined today, please leave 2 keywords for me. First is which country are you from? Second is which field are you in? There's 3 major fields: CCTV surveillance, alarm system, and access control system. So just leave keyword for me, which country and which field. It's either CCTV, alarm system, access control, or other, okay?
Okay, so it's a Q&A session. If you have any question, please leave your question in the Q&A box, and then I and Jason will reply you lively or like send you a message for the question. Okay, and if you didn't yet leave the question on the chat box, please do that. Where do you come from, right? And then which field you are working with. Even you are an end user, it's no problem. like you are using access control system, you are you have CCTV in your place, you can also leave a message, no problem. Okay.
And the gift, okay, I will show you guys what the gift is.
Oh.
Okay. This is a IP65 proximity device for the RFID card, okay, IP65, and also there's a PoE relay box. So you pretty much just one cable from device between device and this PoE relay box. So the connection is very easy. Just one cable, Cat5e cable to this relay box, and another side you go to PoE switch. So PoE switch will power up these both two devices. Okay, and there's also two my favorite cars for you to test out. So this is a gift package. I got 5 sets of gift package to send out after this webinar.
So this one is an outdoor one, right?
Yes, IP65
Oh.
could be used for outdoor.
Oh, cool. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let me check the messages. Please, if you have a question, leave it in the Q&A box, okay? Because in the chat box, there are a lot of country and the field. So leave in the Q&A box is easier for us to reply, okay? Okay, let me see. There is a question in the chat box. It's how does NX access the CCTV system by camera second stream? No, actually, NX software will get both stream from the camera, the main stream and the second stream. Okay, so by default, we record both stream into the NX storage. Okay, and Jason, I believe this is for you. Have you got any case due for bank with ATM? It's from Du. Hey, Du, are you? Do you mean for the bank ATM and they use with the access control system or alarm system, or you mean CCTV?
Yeah, I do have a customer use for, mostly I use for time attendance, and for access control, they choose the fingerprint, which is very higher security accuracy verification.
Okay, and I see another one. Hey, Mr. Jason, can you send for me parking system module intrusion file?
Yes,
NX.
yep. Please contact leave your requirement at sales@chiyo-t.com.tw, and for those information, I will email out for you.
Okay, do reply that both of CCTV and the access control system, they want total solution. In Taiwan, we have done some bank solution and just one with the ATM, but that is a pure CCTV solution only. Cause no, not really pure CCTV. They do both the CCTV and the the ATM machine lock. If someone unlock that the ATM machine and not in the correct time, there will be alert. But that project, they just connect with the camera I/O, not Chiyu I/O module, because in an ATM machine, there is only one camera, right? And there's only one lock. So they want to save the budget. They just connect the sensor directly into the IP camera DI, I mean. So that for that reference, there is no Chiyu I/O module inside. Yeah.
Okay, I got 3 questions here. And
Okay.
first
Go ahead.
one is how is NX sold? Is from Raymond. And for the NX license, you can contact Andy Wayne Okay.
Yeah. In the different country, we have different local partners, right? So if you want to know what's the price or what's the policy, please contact with me, and I will forward you. I will introduce you to our local partner. Okay, they can give you the best price and the best support, local support.
Okay.
Okay.
The next question is, how do you turn off the alarms on the screens? Okay. Let me show you on the live demo. How do you turn off the alarm? I pretty much use the soft trigger from the NX. Okay. Let me show you what soft trigger is. Okay, this is soft trigger. You just assign a soft trigger and assign your icon. And this is my DL controller's HTTP command. So it's basically when you press the button, NX is sending out command to my DL controller. So my command will be turn it off or clear it, turn it off. So for example, I can turn on the fan and another button to turn it off. So this soft trigger will be showing on your screen or showing on your NX app. And recently they have another solution. They can send a text on your mobile phone. And when you register the NX, my NX. So I strongly recommend you guys to go to NX website and download the NX to give it a try. It offers 30 days free trial and 4-channel recording. So after you are done, after 30 days, you can still keep it for live view.
Yeah. Jason, can you go back to your NX client?
I haven't signed in my NX client yet.
Oh, no. I mean the NX, the software, NX software.
That's the software.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, here.
Yeah, okay. So basically, in NX Windows, you can create the icon, right? And we embedded some icon for you to choose, right? So Jason, can you move your mouse to the camera so that I can see the soft
Okay.
trigger? Ah, yes.
Okay.
Okay, so you can create a icon like this, right, in NX Client, and then you can design when you click on the icon, what will you do? Okay, so for this case, when you click on the fence on, NS Windows will send an API to Chiyu IO module to trigger the fence on. So that is how we do to do the remote trigger. Okay. Okay. So any other questions? Let me check. Uh, okay. How do you get sensors to overlay the reading into NX? Okay. The sensor will send the information, or you can say that the GUIO module will read the information from the sensor and then send to the NX and show on the live view for you to read it. Okay, so everything is goes through by NX and the GUIO module. Okay, and there is one question is gone. Oh, okay, sorry. Can we design our own icon on video live stream? Blah blah blah. Blah. Because sorry, so far no, we embedded some icons inside the NS client, right? But if you have any ideas about an icon, welcome to visit our website. There is a community. Okay, so you can share your idea there, like hey, I think we should have an icon about a car or about whatever you think, and then we have a manager, the forum manager there. He will like discuss with our team to increase that to add a new icon, something like that. Okay.
Okay, I got another question here.
Yes.
What type of humidity temperature sensor? Any specific IP? The sensor and the temperature and humidity sensor, these need to send the data out. So the data is through the RS485 communication. And this part we need to customize for it because you need to be able to receive this data. So currently the temperature humidity sensor, you need to pick from Chiyu's device. And if you have other sensor, other type you want to use, you are welcome to send us the protocol and we will check it out. So the communication between the sensor and the I/O device is RS485. And my controller will use the TCP IP, the IP to communicate with NX.
Okay. So I have another one. Does the event timeline will keep even through? Okay. Actually, we call it bookmark. Okay, we call it bookmark. Like when Jason scan his finger on the reader, right? And then his name, his ID number will record together with the recording data for you to like easily play back, right? So since this is a bookmark, when the recording footage is deleted by the date, right? The bookmark will be deleted as well. Okay, like your bookmark in your book. If you drop your book, your bookmark is gone as well, right? So basically, the bookmark is always together with the recording footage. Okay, and next one, Dennis from Hong Kong. Do, how this is do. I want to integrate the system into your platform. Is it possible to do that using API? Yes, basically, if you do the API integration, you can share your information to the NX, and then NX winners can help you along something or save your information together with the video, like recording footage as a bookmark for your after search, right? So yeah, so if you have any integration idea, please send me an email. Okay, please send me an email, and then we can discuss. We can discuss how to do that. And basically, it's quite easy. It's quite easy. Okay. Okay. So any questions? Any other questions? And Chiyu will like write down the chat box information from you, right? And then they will have a lottery. They will pick up 5 lucky friends,
Winners.
yeah, and then to send you the reader and the module, IO module. Okay. So any other questions? By the way, Jason, did you reply to about the ATM case?
I just say I have case and
Uh,
they are using the fingerprint device because the
okay.
fingerprint is a higher accuracy than
Yes.
standard fingerprint. Yeah.
So when they scan the finger, they can open the ATM machine, is it?
Not the ATM machine. They use it for access control the certain doors.
Ah, I see. I
You
see.
you mean the ATM machine?
Yeah.
There's in Taiwan. There's already launched a fingerprint ATM machine, but that's
Oh,
they integrate with the fingerprint module. So
I see.
we are not doing this part.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But if you want, that is doable, right?
It can be discussable. Yeah, we can
Okay.
discuss.
Okay. 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 Have you got any total solution for banking like ATM access control? Yeah, listen, do. If your customer wants to do that, that is discussable. But just in Taiwan, some ATM machine they have already embedded fingerprint reader already. So we have nothing to do there, right? But if your partner wants to do, your customer wants to do that, like to 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 install a fingerprint machine on the ATM machine, and I think that is doable, right? Because this is an issue that sometimes the for example, I am the ATM vendor, right? And my ATM machine got some problem, but I have no people to to go there to fix it. I will call my partner, right? And then my partner will go instead of me to fix that. And sometimes this partner will do something bad, right? So we have to have like a certificate partner to do that. Okay, so that is how the idea works for the like partner to do the access control system to open the ATM machine, right? Okay, any other question? Any other question? Okay, if you have any question after this event, you still can send us the email, okay? And then we can discuss. Okay, so if everything is good, we will stop here, okay?
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, so thank you, and
Okay.
have a good
Thank
day.
you.
And later, when Chiyu picked up the 5 lucky friends, you will get contact by Chiyu, right? Jason, will
Yes.
you do it today or
Give me like 2 to 3 days.
2 or 3
Yeah.
days, right? Anyway, this week, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so Jason will contact, or someone from Chiyu will contact with you,
Yes.
to tell you you are the lucky guy. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
and see you. Have a good day.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. And Jason, make sure you write down all the information. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gathering the information right now.
Yep.
Okay. I think I got all the message.
Okay. Okay.
From 10 a.m. to, yeah. Okay. I got all the message.
Okay. I think for this one, Hua Wing from Gigatech, maybe you can email to him or her, right, about the question, because we asked him to send your message, send your email, but he replied his email here, right? Let me see. He needs the parking system module intrusion file, intrusion or introduction. I think introduction.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so it's like a parking
Yeah.
solution, I think.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe you email to him.
Okay.
Right. So everything is done?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Okay,
bye,
bye.
bye, bye, everyone. If you are still here.
所以这样有记录下来。